It's my new house. I'm going to clean my windows in my house.
Clean up time!
Well, it's not working. I'll just work on it. Hey, it's not working. It's going. It's going in my house. My new house I built.
Run for your life!
He broke my house. I'm going to buy a new house and build. I don't like this house. Maybe could build it and paint it a different color. Now I'm going to paint. Oh, really like pink. Maybe I should paint it green in this bucket. I like this jam. I'm going to plug them in.
And I take a little flour and I add it to the bowl. Then I take a little flour and I add it to the bowl. Do you know what I'm doing?
Silicone.
Take a little flour and I add it to the bowl.
I'm going to get a new house. What? This house is so cool. The roof is cool, and this is cool. And let me see if it can't break. Oh yeah, this can't break. It's a lovely day. Here it comes. I know I'm stuck. Let's see if I can get this truck out of this mud. Come on, get out of this mud! Stop! Look at my house. Now it's so cool. Sure! Why you break all my houses and you break my new house and get my clothes all dirty and now I'm mad. Don't play that motion truck anymore. I feel so bad. How about we clean it up together? Here you go.
Clean up time!
We make a good team, brother. Now let's clean it with soap. Yeah. Why is it working? Let's get all the soap off. Yeah. Thank you so much for helping me clean my house, so you can visit in my house. Sure. What? Snacks? I'm sorry again for breaking your houses. Can we be best friends? Sure. Come on, let's ride my monster truck. Thank you, everyone, for watching this video. If you want to watch more monster truck videos, go to our Instagram and click that bell, like, and subscribe. subscribe button. Bye.
Bullet, I can't believe you're retiring. You're the best UPS dog ever. We're gonna miss you.
I don't know.
He's a jolly good fellow.
Bye, Bullet. Have a good retirement.
Bye-bye.
Have a great day. I'm gonna miss that UPS dog. He is the best delivery driver ever.
Good afternoon.
Where is that new UPS man? I won my shoes and he's so late.
Where are you supposed to go? Aha, that way. Hi, ma'am.
Hi, where have you been?
That's my first say, you know. What box it is? Yes, it's this one. Here you go, ma'am.
Thanks.
Have a nice day.
This is a really big box for the pair of flip-flops I ordered. This isn't for me. Hey, come back! Hey, come back!
My book is supposed to come right now, but it's not here. I'm gonna track it. It says it's here already, but it's not even here. Now, where this goes? Oh, up here. Where? Wait, I gotta just turn and go. I'm gonna go look for it.
Where's that UPS man? He's supposed to be here already.
I wonder where my book is. My book! It's all ruined!
Oh
I
no.
don't like that new UPS driver. I miss Bullet.
The UPS man is late again. Let me track him and see where he's at. I really need that candy for Ryder's birthday party. It says he should be here right now.
What's this? Candy. I hope them are not bad. Who's your money? I should back to ask your money. Oh, I'm like, I can deliver this.
Finally, there he is. Just in time for the party. Thank you. This is so... It's open? He ate all my candy? That's it! So Braxton, have all of your boxes been messed up?
Yep.
Mine too. I think we need a call and try and get Bullet to come back, okay?
Hey, how you doing, man?
Bullet, is that you? Look, Brax, where is he?
It's good to see you again.
Is he on vacation?
Bullet, please come back.
Bullet, please. We have never had a UPS man as good as you. Please come back.
Bye-bye.